Just don't ask any questions, okay? I'll let him know you're with me.
You know, you are the James T. Kirk of the MC world.
Going where no man has gone before.
Oh, let me tell you, brother, I think every man's gone there before.
Jackson, tell him!
Uncle Jury. You guys remember Bobby?
Bobby. Needles, how you been?
Bobby Elvis.
MC royalty in the house, folks. Jax Teller, and Bobby Elvis of the Sons. Let's make him feel at home.
Wow.
You got them all shapes and sizes.
I think I could be in love with that perfect darkness.
Daytona, come on over and say hi to Bobby.
Oh. Daytona as in 500?
As in 1,200. A night. My treat, brother.
Show me the way.
That you all ready?
Nah, picture of the border. It's a little dull in the headlights.
Jerry, this honey's with Jax. Show her the ropes, darling.
Sure thing. Come on, sweetheart.
I'll see you in a couple of days.
Call me. Let me know he's okay. Well, you know I'll drive out there. How embarrassing would that shit be?
I'll call. I'll call.
Started the sports book with the escorts and strip clubs. First stop over the border.
Must be turning some serious cash. Got the mine circling for a percentage.
They're jamming me up, Jax. If I don't pay the Mexicans, they turn my business inside out. If I kick a vig up to them, I disrespect you guys.
Tribe attracts a good membership.
18 real good boys.
You still got along with local law?
Douglas County, sheriff likes the girls.
Right. How you doing, babe?
I'm good.
Hey, girls, beers are warm.
We just pulled those. I'll get those. Excuse me.
So how are we gonna handle the mines?
We're hoping, actually, maybe you could help us out with the problem.
Sure.
Got a garage full of AK-47s. Need a place to assemble and store them until we find a buyer. It's a temporary thing.
Got a strip club out on 95. Huge basement, private.
Sounds perfect. Appreciate it.
You'll talk to Clay. Let me know how to handle this mine thing.
You can talk to him yourself. He's on his way.
Clay's coming out?
Yep. It's about the future, Jury.
Future of what?
The tribe.
Jesus, Jax. Patch over.
It's time, Jury. This whole area's blowing up. We don't patch you over, mines will run right through you. We get a foothold in Nevada. You get the status to protect your business. Best move for both clubs.
A lot of my guys aren't Samcro.
Ones that are cut out for will make it, others will fall off.
I'm not a young man anymore either, Jax. I don't know how much outlaw I got left in me.
You'll do fine, Jury.
Never throw these guys any lip, okay?
Didn't just ask him a question.
Yeah, that's even worse.
Hey, where's Bobby?
Out front?
Hey.
So, how long you been his old lady?
We just met.
Yeah, that's what I thought. You better pay close attention to what I do, baby.